All right, number 9, if P is 1, 3, 5, 7, dot, 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 up to 99, and Q is 5, 7, 9, 11, up to 101, the sums of the arithmetic sequences determine which is greater, P or Q, and by how much. Okay, so all we're going to do is find out the sum of these two sequences. Okay, so I'm going to count the number of terms. So since they don't start with 1 and go in order, there's a couple things we can do. I'm going to do both those methods. However, I like the formula method. So with the first one, we can see 1, 3, 5 is counting by 2s up to 99. So I want this to be divisible by 2 because I want it to count by 1. So if I add 1 to every term, that would be 2, 4, 6, up to 100. And then now we can divide by 2. And then that will give us 1, 2, 3, up to 50. So that tells me there's 50 terms in that first sequence, the P. So the sum would be the first plus last. So the 1 plus the 99 will give us 100 times the 50 terms. And it's divided by 2 always. So basically I have 100 times 25. I'm going to divide that one by 2. And that gives me 2,500. That's the sum of P. Okay. And the other one, we are going to do the first term, which is 5, plus the last term, which is 101. Gives me 106 times the number of terms. So how do we figure out how many terms? I'm going to use that formula. So I'm going to say the biggest, 101, the last minus the first, minus 5, divided by the difference. So these terms are counting by 2 as well because it starts with 5, and then 7, and then 9, dot, 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 101. So these are counting by 2's. So divide by 2, and then we have to add 1. So this will give me 101 minus 5 is 96. And 96 divided by 2 is 47, plus 1 gives me 48. Okay, let's verify. Sometimes you can make a mistake with mental math. So we're going to do 101 minus 5, find the difference, divided by what they're counting by. The difference is 2 plus 1. Okay, so I made a mistake. I said 96 divided by 2 is 48, yeah. So plus 1 will give me 49. Okay, so here's my formula that we're working with. So basically I have 106 times 49 divided by 2. This number is divisible by 2, so that will give me 53. So basically we're doing 53 times 49. And that will give us our sum. So that gives us 2597. Okay, so the Q is bigger by 97. We can just see that at the end. They both got 25 up front, 97. Q is bigger by 97. Q is greater than P by 97.